Okay, I want to share with you my favorite recipe, my favorite alcoholic recipe, and it's a rum limonana garuse, which is a smoothie made usually from lime, mint leaves, and I add in rum, which I got the idea from, of course, a mojito. That's how they make it, but they don't usually make it in the smoothie version. And it's amazing. And the reason why I came up with the idea is once I went out to eat and I wanted an alcoholic beverage, but theirs are teeny. So I said, you know what? Give me your limonana garuse, which is very, very popular garuse in Israel. And people love it, but they don't usually come alcoholic. But I said, do me a favor, add a shot or two of rum to it and bring it to the table. And then I had a nice, big, alcoholic, delicious, cool beverage on the beach. Loved it. So I want to share with you what I make. Now, this is what we do. We take our favorite blender, Ninja, none compares, and we're going to start out by taking this lemon. Need a knife. Take the lemon, and you're going to squeeze out all the pits. But what I do is, even though I squeeze out the unwanted pits, I usually just will get rid of the pits, but I like the pulp because the pulp is supposed to be the healthiest part for you. Not that the rum is such a healthy drink, but anyways, it's also more powerful, a little bit of bitter, delicious. And then I add it. So I only do this with the juice of, I would take probably 2 lemons. I did it in advance so I don't have to bore you. And I fill it usually till it says 8 ounces. Now most people don't like it that much lemon, so you can do half, you can do 4 ounces, but then you'd want to put 4 ounces of water. I like it with a lot of lemon. And the reason why I'm using lemon is because lime is not in season. Now lime is far, far superior. If you can get yourself some limes, you do it with the limes. So I add that. Then I take these beautiful mint leaves that I get in Israel. Now, these are really they're katif. They're supposed to be mahajin. It's supposed to be free of like worms and bugs. You might say, where are you going to get your protein? But I'll tell you what you do. If you do it like the bars do it, you take some delicious nuts. Israel has the best nuts. I like the salted cashews. And you eat it with your smoothie. And then you have your protein, so you don't need them bugs. Anyways, you have to even though it says that it's free of bugs and stuff, you still have to wash it because in the packaging and stuff, things sneak in there. I've seen it. So you got to wash them all really, really well, which I did anyway. You might say, why am I buying it? But it is better than the other ones that aren't checked, so, or that aren't supposedly free of. And I did it again, not to bore you. I washed them and I plucked them, and you want to take about a half a cup of that and add it to your lemon. And then the recipe calls for like a half a cup of sugar. I'm trying not to have sugar. It gives me really, really bad headaches. Honey doesn't, so I'm substituting honey. You probably would like the sugar better. The sugar's a little sweeter, and most people like it better when I make it with the sugar. But this is for me, so. I'm measuring. I'm saying this is a half a cup, right? And then you add yourself ice. They tell you only to use 3.5 cups of ice. I don't think that's sufficient. I like a lot of ice. I want a huge glass. I like to use a beer glass and refill it if necessary. So you're gonna add yourself, I put a whole tray of ice. Sometimes even more, but it's going to take a long time to do this, so I'm just going to put 1 tray now. There we go. Ice, baby. I haven't drink yet. Do not think I did. I'll be much happier even after that. And then, the best thing, Bacardi white rum. I don't know, I should have put it in the beginning so I could have measured, but you put in rum to your liking. Most people would take, I don't know, a shot. I'll take a shot glass. I like it strong. I'll start with 2 shots and see how I do. See how I like it. 2 shots. Okay. And then close that baby up. Get it ready to go. And you're gonna blend it for a minute. Okay, it was a full minute, and now you release, and you fill up your glass. And you're gonna want to, of course, make it pretty, right? Because it always tastes better when it's pretty. So you put a little wedge of lemon, nice sprig of Nana, and a pink straw. Look how gorgeous that is. L'chaim tovim va'arukim. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech ha'olam shehakol niyeh bidvaro.
Amen.
Heaven. Try it. Let me know what you think.